I'm so proud of myself. I created this masterpiece that I saw in a pricey department store. I made it at home, DIY. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. So what's going on, everybody? Today I am doing a little DIY. I bought these mirrors from the Goodwill, spent $3 on that. It was half off, $6 originally. Got this one for $1, and I got that one for $3. And so today I am going to do a little home renovation, and I'm excited because I got some tools from the Michaels, and these are some glass beads that I'm going to put on this mirror here. I'm going to put it on both of them, all three of them. And I got my glue stick here. I got my little rhinestones, and I'm doing a redo in my family room. So this is really exciting for me because I love a DIY project every now and then, but I'm anxious to see what it's going to turn out to be. So stay tuned. So I'm starting by putting the little beads on each section of the mirror to kind of give it a balanced look. This is the beginning of what I'm doing to create this super masterpiece. I'm so excited. I love bling bling, and this will add some great depth and definition to my wall. So now that I have the beads placed throughout the mirror where I want them to be, I'm getting ready to add glue to each piece so that it can stick. Box of crystals was about $10 at Michael's. This here was about $6.99. Glue sticks, $2. You can get them at the dollar store for $1 as well. And the glue gun I did get from the dollar store. Was probably the most expensive spray adhesives paint that I purchased. It was $12. So don't forget to go online and you can get a coupon from Michael's where it'll take 40% off. It ended up not taking it off of here. It took it off here, and I ended up paying about $3 for this with a 50% off coupon. So once the glue gun gets hot, you are ready to glue the pieces to the project. And as you can see, I'm starting, it doesn't matter where you start, but you put a little bit of the glue, trying to make sure it doesn't get stuck on my hands here. Put a little bit of the glue and you place it wherever you want it to go. So the glue stick ran, or the glue gun ran out of glue, and I have to put another stick in here. It's so odd because there's still some glue in there, but it's not coming out. So here's the final product. As you can see, all of the beads are situated on the mirror, and we got that extra bling bling attached to it. Simple project, $3 mirror. The beads itself cost about $10. I think it was $9.99, and all I did was take some hot glue and glue the beads to the mirror. This mirror itself, I clearly saw it in another store for about $99, and I recreated what I saw and made it a masterpiece at home. DIY home with Michelle. So here is the final result of this DIY redecorating the wall on a budget. This whole wall I completed for about $150. As you saw, I got the mirrors at a thrift store, and the beading and all that kind of stuff. The bling bling I've added to the wall gives it much depth, much character, and it really adds a different definition to the wall. So I am really excited to complete this project, and it's just a real feel-good moment when you can do something yourself on a budget and you don't have to pay department store prices for simple fix and make and DIY for a mirror that you can do yourself. So yes, turned out pretty good. And some of my favorite quotes, I'm a very faithful person, so have a little faith. Yes. Dreams don't work unless you do. And this one right here really touched my soul. Crazy blessed, because that I am. Right now, always, I'm living my best life. But this one right here too, because sometimes in life we fall. You got to learn how to get back up, dust your shoulders off, and keep on going. If you stumble, make it a part of the dance. Don't complain. Don't get weary in well-doing. Just keep going. And that picture frame over there, I'm going to put a picture of my family on there because it designates the love that we share with each other. And then this one right here is going to be a family picture as well. So that's it with this wall of creation and love. And then my favorite elephant representing my sorority. While in the process that we were talking about DIY, I wanted to share this with you as well. This was one of my creations that I did probably about maybe 5 years ago. And I was just getting into the mode of trying to do some DIY art. I went into Z Galleries. We used to have one in my area, but it closed down. And I saw a painting that resembled this. And I'm like, I'm not paying $600. Each one of the pieces was $300 a piece. I wasn't paying $300 when I knew I can come jumble up something at home and do it myself. So I went to Michael's, got the boards, got the mirrors, got the paint and all of that. And I just sat down on the floor and started creating my own little masterpiece. Now, it don't look exactly like it did at Z Gallery, but I tell you, it's not too far from it. And I saved myself $600. This project here probably cost me a mere $75. Well, no, because the boards themselves was like $20. So I would say no more than $100 as well. But another DIY project that you can do at home on a budget. Yes, super cool. Here's that mirror that I shared with you earlier. It's all beaded up and ready to go. But that picture, that mirror, just does justice for this space right here. It looks really, really good. Nice piece to add to a foyer, whatever you want to call it. It's beautiful. And I did it DIY on a budget, and I'm loving every inch of it. Thanks for tuning in. Make it a great day.